In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see Messenger logged-in devices. This allows you to detect unauthorized access, log out from devices you no longer use, and also prevent potential hacking or data breaches. To do this, simply head to your Messenger. Tap onto the Menus button on your bottom right. Select Settings. You want to navigate onto the last option of See More in Account Center. Select onto this option of Password and Security. Now inside Security Checks, head to where you're logged in. Select your account. You will see all devices that have access to your Messenger account. Now to remove or log out any, simply head to it and select Log Out. That device won't have access to your Messenger account ever again. The bonus tip is to run and change your Messenger password after logging them out of your account. Check out the video on how you can change your Messenger password in this video description. Well, that's how easy it is to see Messenger logged-in devices. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.